Welcome back to another one of my videos. This time I am playing Do Not Press the Button, or you don't know what's going to happen. Okay, so I'm back right. Oh my gosh! Wee! It's lit. Is there a dead end? Oh. I'm about to die. I know it. Boom! Press it. Hey, hell. Oh! What happened? Oh! Y'all gonna... Oh! What? Oh! Hold y'all, press that button. Oh! Get away from that button. You need 2 double coins, 50 coins, as y'all see. Devil King 111. So your name is Devil King? Okay, Devil King. Okay. Tsunami! Ah! On the first one. Oh. Wait, no! I'm dead. Ouch! Ouch! Okay, he pressed the button. I'm going on red. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Oh! They're going to be in that capsule. We're going to see. Watch, they be in that capsule. I told you. I might be on that capsule next. I think it's going to be green. It was yellow. What? So I'm in the capsule right now, but I'm not doing anything. Okay. Great job on surviving. Who survived? Give me this button. What did I do? What happened?
She's not coming.
Okay, I pressed the button. Oh my! 7, 6.
You taking my buttons off the phone.
I was all over here by myself. I might go back to green. I'm gonna stay on green forever. Look at my eyes. Wow. Wait, did I survive? I'm the only one living. I'm the only one. See? Wow. Let me press that button. Oh, let me press that button. Okay, I'm about to zoom back in. Oh my gosh. Who's that? Oh, it's Baldi! Oh, thank you for killing Baldi! He killed Baldi! Press the button. Press it! No. Thank you for pressing the button. Oh, shoot. Oh, we're in outer space. Oh, this is... Oh. Let me go up in the sky. Wait, what if I zoom out? Wow. Oh, shoot. Oh, oh my gosh. These bombs. I'm gonna look up in the sky because they're gonna pop out of nowhere. Oh! Oh! I want one. Oh! Oh, almost died on that one. Oh, no! They gonna do you, boy, like that. Okay, push the button. Press the button. There we go. Oh! Whoa! Oh. That thing is gonna kill that Goron. That thing is actually gonna kill her. Watch. See? Watch. See? What I tell you guys? What I tell you? She was gonna die. And guess what? She did. Yay. Okay, I pressed the button. Don't go in there, noob! I did the wrong thing! No! 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 Ooh, I like that. No! Really? Oh, the house! Oh, is she still living? Yeah, it was. Come on. What happened? Doge! Hey, Doge! It's Doges everywhere. Doge party. Doge. Doge, no! Let that Doge stay. Oh, button. I found it already. Your boy found the button. Thank you for pushing the button, my man. No! I'm just going there with him. But this time when I get a new, I'm going to keep jumping. They do the same thing as I'm doing. He was he got pooped out. Ah, no. Oh, you did. You did. No! Oh, Fortnite. We playing Fortnite? Pow. Oh, man. He is crazy. Huh? Oh! Huh? Wait, whoa. He said, I like dogs that sing. She said she said that she like cats that sing. He said he like dogs that sing. He said, I like trains. And that train popped out of no. Oh, shoot, we gotta find a button again. I think I know what it is. It's over here. Yo, boy! Yo, boy, finding them buttons. This again, you guys. Really? Really? Outer space! Wow! Y'all see that little twisty thing over there? This is the galaxy. Okay. No. Really? What's up, noob? Just poop me. Oh, you actually heard it. What's up? What's up? What's up? I saw 3 people fell down and fell for that trick. I got 2 coins. I got 100 coins. Let's see what we can buy in the shop. I think all this stuff is Robux. Coin shop. No. Hot dog. Teddy bear. No. Fake gun. Cheeseburger. I'm gonna get that speed coil. You guys. I need 100 more. Really. I'm gonna just stand like this. Oh, everybody on this side fell. What's up, Ducky? Should we move? No, I think that was a bad idea. Yeah, that was a bad idea for you guys. I told you. It's like green is the best one. It is. 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Wow. Great job on surviving. Button! I pressed the button. No, I didn't. Doge! Doge party again! Doge. Doge! No, Doge, you can't do that to me. No! Doge! Whee! Oh no. Yay. Doge, you is not going anywhere. Doge. No. Don't let go! Oh, that was that house again. I was not paying attention. Really? I really hate this. Oh my gosh. Peace. Y'all dead. Oh my gosh. Why would you push me down here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 people died. Hi, Zoe. Get this out of here. This again. Y'all gonna hate this when y'all play this. That's why I told you you gonna hate this. I don't see the lava. Oh, no, I do. Get me out of this capsule! There we go. Oh, your boy is nice finding this. What'd I tell y'all? I told y'all, your boy is nice with that. I like that. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh shoot. What's gonna happen? They're gonna fall. I'm so horrible in this. See? When you walk on it, oh, look what they created. Like some art. Like a man with 2 eyes that look crooked. Good art. She cutting off his hairline. There we go. Your boy is nice, man. Supreme. LJ. I'm nice with them skills. Oh. Also, we killed the noob, so that's, yeah. Please. Oh my gosh! Noob again, bro. Noob. Okay, we done with the noob. But now, this is serious. It's a tsunami. My girl. Where is it coming from? I don't... Oh! You serious? That thing power level through here. Oh, I'm about to die. I'm dead. Again? Your boy's nice with the skills. I ain't gonna lie. Some of them gonna die down there. She gonna die. She dead. Bye-bye. I kill everybody. Is it? Am I the only boy? Am I the only boy? Yes, I am the only boy. Oh, Victory Royale. Yeah, it is. At least I love the tsunami ones. Your boy is nice with the skills. Oh, she did. Wow. 3 people survived. Thank you. Dark. Time to spawn. Click the button. Get ready. Okay, what? We fighting or something? Come on. Time's up. Let's see what your result source. Dang. Well, that ain't fair. I'm the only boy. Oh, wait, what happened? Am I gonna fall off the map or something? Oh, yeah, I did. Your boy was just sitting there looking sad. So I heard boom. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. No. Please don't tell me it's going to come to this. Oh. There we go. Right. Nobody made it. Wow. That scared me for a moment. He did a split. Oh, the house again. It really was. Doge! There you is. No. Doge, you died. Doge. Doge, 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 doge the dog. Is it the? Oh my gosh. Doge! No! I'm save you, buddy. Oh, they did. Some people coming in here right now. It's sad I'm the only boy. Wow. My feet is out, but look at my face. I'm like, I'm ready. Look at my face, you guys. I'm like, I'm ready to do everything. Let's go. Hold on, I wanna go zoom out. And then making me look like I'm going any faster. I dare y'all to go. Complete with one all the way down there. Oh, we'll see. Okay. Oh. What? I hate this. Am I like supposed to jump or something? This time it looked like an apple mixed with an apple, but they died. Oh, they made a peach, like Georgia peach. They made a peach. Well, we made a peach. We. Oh! Oh, it took a... What? Give me my legs. Noob. I can still walk. See? What happened? Oh, shoot. He pulled me out. But I want my leg to stay like this. No, my leg is... What, like, what if I had no head, no legs? Doge! Yay! Doge, 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 doge. Doge, 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 doge. Doge, I love you. Yay. Doge, there you is, buddy. Oh, Victory Royale again. Doge, 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 doge. Oh my god, I hate this. So I see how I'm supposed to do it. No! Wait, huh? What is they making again? She is on the run. But she died. And she did too. It looked I don't know what they look like. But serious don't. Oh, this again. It's like speed run. Speed. Oh, wait, huh? Wait, huh? I don't get it. Time to click the button. Get ready. I'm clicking it. Okay. Okay, I'm clicking the button. What if it's in an asteroid down? Like it's bigger than this whole ground or place. Victory Royale. Let's get it, baby. Royale. Oh. Baldy again. Dang. Oh, shoot. Baldy is tearing their tail up. Baldy is really tearing their tail up. Ignore that. Oh! Okay, you guys, I'm going to end this gameplay right here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and post notification bell. You'll be the first one to know all my videos after this. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot, I'm on the run. I'm on the run. Okay, I'm going to end it right here. And hit that post notification bell and subscribe. If you don't want to, you don't have to. But just do it if you want. Because really, I want 1 like. 1 like. Okay, I'm going to end this right here. Hold up. Say bye-bye. Say bye, okay? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye in the universe. Bye.